Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to unbox the Bambu Lab A1 3D printer, and I'll also show you how to set it up and connect it step by step. Let's get started. Go to the App Store, download the Bambu Handy app to your device, and log in. Here you will find printable files shared for free with the Bambu community. You select a pre-made print template in Bambu Handy and then start printing via LAN. The community offers free, high-quality print files, including color files, for you to use. You can also share your designs with the community. And now let's try printing from the Bambu Study app. And now, let's experience the print samples and begin a new journey. Please give me a subscription to start this journey together.